swells just at the right moments, you feel the tension building in your chest. But it's not all bleak. There's a flicker of hope, a promise that Ceylan may not remain powerless. The episode plants seeds of resistance, subtle looks, small rebellions, the faint glimmer of inner strength awakening. It leaves you thinking, yes, she is down now, but is she defeated? Definitely not yet. In terms of pacing, the episode keeps you on edge. There are no long stretches of calm. Every scene carries weight. You sense the ticking clock, not in minutes but in fates and futures. The writers do well to balance the emotional, Ceylan, as in a world with the external, family power dynamics, societal conventions, so the stakes feel both personal and grand. One minor quibble, some relationships feel underexplained in this episode. You see the friction between characters, but sometimes you wish you had a bit more backstory for why they act the way they do. That said, it may be the series is deliberately holding back, which in itself creates suspense. In some episode, it cases a turning point. It forces a heroine into a darker place, but one where the possibility of emergence still glows. It reminds us how love, power, and tradition collide, and how one woman chooses to stand in the storm. If you've been watching this series, this episode will pull you in. If not yet, it gives you a potent taste of the emotional roller coaster ahead. If you like, I can pull out key scene breakdowns from this episode, with timestamps, or highlight how the character arcs shift going into episodes 22. Would that be helpful?